Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do some fun opal nails. So I went ahead and prepped my nails already, and we are coming in with our primer. I'm using Young Nails Protein Bond. This is my go-to primer. It leaves a slightly tacky layer for your base coat to stick, and I have had great success with this one. Coming in with gelish foundation, I like to unload my brush and then kind of move the brush left and right to even out the gel application. And that allows me to not have so much in the sidewalls. And once I do that, I kind of just do a few swipes down the middle. And I'm gonna repeat this on all of the nails. Taking our builder gel, I am going to use a builder in a bottle from Light Elegance. This is their Jimmy Gel, and what this is going to be is my slip layer. This is an uncured layer that we are going to build upon. So by adding that slip layer, you're telling the gel where you want it to go. So if you get it on the skin, you need to immediately remove it. That way, when we come in with our bigger bead, it is not going to flood your cuticles and get everywhere. So make sure that this application for that slip layer is on point. And then we are going to take our bigger bead, and I like to come back in the back third is where I like to wear my apex. Some do it in the very back if you have super long nails, more European style. But I find for me, since I wear shorter nails, I don't need a super ton of, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, I don't need a huge apex to have the structure for my nails. So I find the back third with a little bit of that apex there works best for my nails. Again, the apex may be different on your nails based on the structure of how you wear your nails and how long your nails are going to be. So again, doing that slip layer, and then we're going to come in with our bigger bead, and I will let you watch that. So I filed and buffed, and we're gonna come in with our gel polish, and I'm taking this one from GLAM, and I am going to put this all over the nail. I apply this the same way I apply my slip layer. So I unload the brush, and then I kind of wiggle it back and forth to get back to the cuticle, and again unloading it so when you come down your sidewalls you don't have a ton of that polish on your brush, which would flood your cuticles immediately, I find this for me is the best way to go about the application. So you can kind of see I bring it down towards the side and then I kind of make it go towards the center. So I'm almost never going directly down the full side of my sidewall. I always kind of curve it to the center. So I'm going to let this self-level just a little bit, and then I'm going to give it a cure, and we're going to apply the the chrome pigment right into this tacky layer. So again, I've given it a full cure and it has that tacky layer. So I am just scrubbing this right into that layer. And then I'm going to give it another cure at the end once they are all completed. So I'm going to repeat the process of applying that gel polish, giving that 30-second cure, and then coming in with the chrome powder.
Slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Now I'm going to take Gelish foundation again. I've wiped off some of the chrome, but not all of it. There'll still be a ton on your nails. So I'm kind of just floating this across the whole entire nail. So I've not filed any of the free edges. This is going directly on top of that chrome because we don't want to dirty the chrome just yet. By adding this base coat, you're essentially capping that chrome so anything you do now won't disturb it. So we're gonna repeat that on all of the nails.
Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
So wiping off that extra chrome, and if you don't get your base coat or base gel or builder gel or just top coat, you want a top coat here, again, you are absolutely more than welcome to. I did the base coat because I find it works better for me, but I did see on maybe one or two nails, I didn't get it all the way back, so it kind of came off a little bit. But just know if you don't put it all the way back, it will come off when you use alcohol. So now I'm going to file that free edge ever so slightly, so we're breaking that base coat side where that chrome was, and then we're going to apply the top coat over the entire thing and capping your free edges. What that is going to do is allow that capping, the filing of that free edge essentially breaks that chrome gel, or chrome and gel, I should say. And then when you file that, it leaves that kind of rough surface. So when we apply that top coat, it is going to go over that free edge, but that free edge doesn't have any product on it to get in the way. And I find that gives me the best longevity for adhesion and not having your chrome chip, which is a big issue with having chrome. I am tough on my nails, so I usually do end up having one or two maybe chip, but if you treat it normally, you usually don't have an issue. So these are the finished nails. I absolutely love these. I think I wore them for about a month and a half maybe. And again, I only had some chipping on my pointer and my thumb because I scraped something on it. But we survived. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.